Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain slicing in backwards. So what happening here, slicing happening from starting to ending, and it is using steps. Even it is starting from the beginning and to the end. If you change uh, this to negative index, still works. Okay, minus 12. Minus 12 is here E and 1. 1. So it is excluded 1, so it is not giving a output. Minus 15 to 1. This is minus 15, this is 1 W. Okay, many combinations you can use. Check it out, this output. Okay, minus 15, this is the W, and 14 for the positive indices, it is R. So we got a substring. Within that, 3 is the steps to jump from left to right. It is jumped, and within this substring, this is given a output. So we can utilize negative indices and positive indices, even the combination. Even you can ignore some of the input and indices, first indices and second indices. So still it works. Still it works. Okay. Here we understood that from starting to ending, it is giving a substring from left to right. If we want string from end to starting, from last to beginning, in a reverse order we have to get. So this is the one we got. Maybe we are not understood with this. I will give you one more example. A B C D E F G G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So I will try to print from ending to beginning, from right to left. It means backwards. Let's check it out. It is given a output Z, Y, X, W. This is the output we got. So here we can understand that for to get a substring, that is to be started at the ending and ended it beginning. So In a reverse order, we want to jump it -2. What is the output? Okay, from Z to A, every two steps, it is taken a output. So I'm playing with this code. So try to understand this. Yeah, it is not given a. It is stopped at B. Why? Because it is ended with 0, that is excluded. If it does not give 0, it includes the A. So what happening is it is giving a string from the end to beginning. It is the backward. It gives a reverse order. So here we have to understand that second indices must be less than first indices. Even you use negative indices also, positive indices also, what we have to follow is second indices must be less than first indices. I hope you got a clarity. See you in the next session.